What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Uri here, and today's video I'm going to show you guys some WhatsApp tips and tricks that you guys need to know, from how to use the WhatsApp to disappear messages and also how to test for encryption. So keep on watching this video to find out the remaining WhatsApp tips and tricks. The first thing I'm going to talk about is dynamic wallpapers. So this is basically having a wallpaper for a specific chat. Like if you have your best friend, your girlfriend, your mom, your dad, or someone very close to you, you have a specific wallpaper for that chat. So dynamic wallpaper, personalized wallpaper, something like that. So you can just put a particular wallpaper for that chat. You still have your general wallpapers for every chat, but just for that specific chat you can have a personalized wallpaper, if you get what I mean. So yes, moving on. So the second thing is storage management. So we know that WhatsApp is one of the smallest apps in the Play Store and App Store, but when it comes to consuming media, WhatsApp occupies a lot of space, from backing up chats to the media to the stickers, everything. Like WhatsApp is one of the most used apps in the world, and it's also one of the apps that occupies space because it doesn't, most of the media are saving directly to your phone. So if you want to save space, all you need to do is to go to settings, go to storage, then you see storage management, then you see a lot of things that are occupying, like you see duplicate files, pictures, things like that, and you can delete all of them from there. Okay, so number 3 is advanced search. All you need to do is, when you're looking for a specific thing, you just need to search for the name. So if it's a picture, music, video, document, or something, you just search for what you are looking for, then you tap it, then it pops up. So like, that is actually smart thinking from the creators of WhatsApp, or the people developing this app, because it actually makes sense. So moving on to disappearing messages. So disappearing messages is one thing that is actually a mad feature, but like it only applies 7 days. So if you and your friend or you and someone talking about something, then you turn on your disappearing messages, after 7 days it's going to leave. But like, 7 days is too long now. What if I want these messages to be cleared immediately? Yeah, good and fine, you can clear chats, but you don't know if the other person is clearing the chats, if you get what I'm saying. So basically, disappearing message is meant to delete the messages on both ends, like both ends, you guys message. So if they can make it like 1 hour, 2 hours, like 2 days, things like that, like give us options, not just put it 7 days, after 7 days the message will disappear, because some people don't actually want people to know what they are talking about, some of the things they talk about, if you get what I'm saying. Number 5 is editing pictures. So if you're posting pictures on your status and you just want them to look more interesting, so we know that last year, like the last time I made this video, posting pictures on posting stickers rather on your status was only an iPhone feature, and if you're using the beta version of WhatsApp on Android. But right now all versions of WhatsApp can actually do that. So if you just want to make the pictures you post more interesting, all you need to do is to tap the emoji icon, you see your stickers, and you're good to go. Number 6 is testing encryption. So you know that this privacy thing we're talking about with Facebook, knowing your information about WhatsApp and things like this. So if you want to know if your messages are actually still end to end, all you need to do is to go to settings, you tap your QR code, and you see scan code with like someone, like you scan your code with a particular person, and if it checks yes, your messages are encrypted with that person, and it's mute always. So like before, like there are some group chats that just make a lot of noise, like people just add you to some groups and they make another. If you are not leaving the group because you actually want to be on the group, all you can do is to just mute the notifications always. Like now, before it was mute for 1 year, but like that option is gone now, you just mute always, and that is mad, like, because I'm in a lot of groups and I like some of the G's sometimes, but like disturbance, so just mute them. And the next one is light or dark wallpapers. So depending on the mode you're using, if it's dark mode or normal mode, light mode, there are wallpapers for you. So WhatsApp has specific dark wallpapers, WhatsApp has specific light wallpapers. I just wanted to tell you guys that because I noticed it, and some of the dark wallpapers are actually mad. Like dark mode is mad. Moving on, so these are some quick tips. yeah, quick tips. So if you don't want people to see your profile picture, you can basically go to settings, privacy. You see my profile picture, you can change it to nobody, my contacts only, or everyone. Right now for me is on my contacts only. So I hope you guys, this video was able to help you, like you knew some things. If some of you already knew everything, that's mad, like that's very mad. Thumbs up to you. Just help me like, share the video. Like you guys liking this video and sharing this video is actually going to help me and to help me create better content. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.